Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in style, tech, and lifestyle gear. And today, we're looking at what might just be the best chronograph leather strap watch for men in the 44mm category. This is the Fossil Men's Grant Quartz Stainless Steel and Leather Chronograph Watch, model FS4735. Sleek, vintage-inspired, and robust, this timepiece delivers both function and fashion in one package. So if you're looking for something to elevate your wrist game, stick around. Right off the bat, the Fossil Grant FS4735 showcases a premium feel. It's built around a 44mm silver stainless steel case that holds a cream sunray dial. The Roman numerals stand out with a vintage elegance, inspired by old-school clock designs. There's a layered effect where the subdials intersect with the numerals, giving the face depth and an artistic balance. The hardened mineral crystal lens over the dial is durable and scratch-resistant, making it practical for daily wear. The case is complemented by a genuine calfskin leather strap in a rich brown tone. It's 22mm wide and fitted with a sturdy adjustable buckle. What's more, it's compatible with other 22mm Fossil straps, so you can easily switch up your style without replacing the whole watch. This watch isn't just about good looks. It runs on an accurate quartz movement and features a chronograph analog display. The three subdials track minutes, seconds, and 24-hour time. It even includes a stopwatch function for those who love a practical edge on their accessories. You'll also find a date window integrated into the dial, subtle but incredibly useful. Everything about the dial layout is clean and intentional, so you won't feel overwhelmed by features. Whether you're timing a run or a roast in the oven, it's a stylish tool that does the job. Wearing this watch feels great. The leather strap molds to your wrist over time, becoming more comfortable the more you wear it. It's lightweight despite the bold 44mm face, so you won't feel weighed down. This makes it perfect for all-day use, from office meetings to dinner dates. Its design is versatile enough to match formal, business casual, and even some relaxed weekend outfits. The silver and brown combo is timeless and neutral, so whether you're pairing it with a navy blazer or a simple white tee, it fits in effortlessly. Plus, there are other color variants and sellers if you're looking to score a better deal or change up the aesthetic a bit. To sum it up, the Fossil Grant FS4735 is a powerhouse of style, durability, and everyday functionality. It's a watch that blends classic design with modern features in a way that's hard to beat. If you're after a dependable, good-looking chronograph with a leather strap and 44mm case size, this is easily one of the best out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if there's a watch you want us to review next. See you in the next video.